Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you guys our new Builderall Business dashboard. So when you're on your back office and you want to access this, you'll just click the Builderall Business drop down and click Dashboard. And as you can see, it's a little different than what we used to have. Now you can see your level of affiliation. We have a different leveled system now, and this will help identify which level you are. It'll show you your sponsor, your ID, and your affiliate link. If we look down here, it'll show you your direct sales commissions, which is your first level. Then your recurring, that means that this level's recurring after their first month. Your retention bonus, this will change depending on the amount of leads that you have. And your car bonus, which will change based on the amount of points that you have. This will show you the amount of clients that you have based on the number of months. Remember, every 3 months you get a bonus there. And now your earnings, it'll show you your earnings that are pending, available, requested, and paid here. And then you have certain points here. These points will be the points related to the amount of sales you make. This will show you there. If we look in here, you're going to have the car bonus and your current status. This bar will fill up with the amount of dollars based on the amount of leads that you have. As we can see right now, I have none, but if I were to get up to this level, it would show you the amount of bonus you have per month. Go down to the qualifications for our next mansion get together we're going to have. You can qualify with that by referring here, and if this fills out, you will have qualified. The Unilevel Bonus, you get a bonus based on the amount of leads you have at certain levels. It'll show you at the certain levels here, and will identify here the amount that you have. And then, like we had before, we have tracking for your links and where your clicks are. And if you look down here, you can deviate between today, the month, and the year. And then if we look on the right here, you can see our top affiliates today based on the amount of points they've gathered, as well as the top affiliates this week. And if you go to the bottom, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and get our app on the Apple App Store. Alright guys, so that is our new Builderall Business dashboard. I hope you guys find this dashboard very helpful to you. Please stay tuned for more tutorial videos, and as always, have a great day.